Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 21st of April 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, America's banana republic permitting policy, including its increasing lack of a stable and predictable regulatory system, will have a chilling effect on investors. The increasingly polarized and dysfunctional nature of American politics poses increasing risks to business, both domestic and foreign. Some have even suggested that the heightened risk environment in the United States make it comparable to an emerging market. The president of the Chilean Renewable Generation Association warned that the current electricity market prevents competition on a level playing field. Jaime Toledo, president of the Renewable Generation Association, maintains that distortions are directly affecting the development of renewable energy projects and causing millions of dollars in energy spills. The pipeline of projects with more than 12,500 megawatts of green energy capacity will not be developed by AGR member companies unless the current competitive imbalances in the electricity market are eliminated. Ahead of its request for proposals in the competitive bidding process for wind power projects, the Ministry of Economy of Kosovo confirmed that all applicants passed the qualifications stage. The quota is 150 megawatts in total, which is split in 2 rounds. Participants will bid for 15-year power purchase agreements and contracts for difference. The call for the remaining capacity will be issued the second half of the year. Dairyland Power Cooperative announced Thursday that the administration had affirmed its $595 million grant under the Empowering Rural America program. The cooperative will continue to pursue over 1,000 megawatts from clean energy projects in Wisconsin and neighboring states. The electric cooperative's planned transmission line upgrades will ensure a reliable grid to meet growing energy demand and support an all-of-the-above resource portfolio. To promote domestic manufacturing in India and reduce reliance on imports, the government is considering mandating wind turbine makers to disclose details of domestic vendors. This will include disclosure of the origin of key components like blades, towers, gearboxes, and generators for inclusion in 8 officially mandated revised list of models and manufacturers. A 1-year exemption will be granted for imports needed for a limited number of turbines or by new manufacturers to the market. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.